Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to make screenshots on your Motorola X30 Pro and how you can begin recording your screen. So to take the screenshot, you will need to press the lock button and the volume down key at the same time. Here's the volume down key and here's the lock button. So let's do that. As you can see, we've just taken the screenshot, and the second way to do it is by pressing 3 fingers on your screen, just like that. And as you can see, we take the screenshot as well. But to do it this way, make sure it's enabled in your settings. So go to your settings, System, Gestures, 3 finger screenshot, and make sure it's enabled right here. And if you want to make sure how it works, just press try it out, and here you'll be able to do it just like that. And now to begin recording your screen, you'll need to slide down your toolbar like that. Now scroll down a bit more, go to the right and find the screen record start. Press on that, start, and in the 3, 2, 1, the screen recorder starts recording. And now to stop the video, we'll press this button right here, and the video is saved to our record folder. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.